Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to create account on Kraken. To create account on Kraken, you can either visit the official website or open the application from your phone. Then tap on create account. Here you have to enter your valid email address that you can access. Then tap on continue. Create a strong password with all the requirements fulfilled. Then tap on continue. Select your country from the drop-down and then tap on continue. Now you have to select the state you reside in and then tap on create account. Now to activate your account, you have to open the link sent to your email address. Check your email for it. Click on the mail from Kraken. You can either use activation code or the activation link. Here I will be using the activation link. Tap on it. And here you go. Your account has been successfully created and activated as well. You can verify your identity and start trading cryptocurrencies. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.